Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this question is from Singapore Math Olympiad. Okay, if you solve this example by term, then it will be a quite complex calculation. Okay, so what we will do, we'll just have an observation to look out for the common term. So if you observe, so 2019.625, this is the common term. So let's write it like this, 2019.625 into bracket minus 1 upon 4. Next is 0.75. Okay. So in term of fraction, how can we write it? 3 upon 4. And this is 1 upon 2. So if you observe, we have denominator as 4. So what we can do? We can write it as 2 upon 4. Okay. And minus this term. Okay. Minus 0.625. Okay. So let's say 2019.625. So minus 1 plus 3 plus 2, okay, upon 4 minus 0.625. Okay. So minus 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 upon 4. That will be 1. Okay. So we can write 2019.625. This will be 1. Okay. Minus 0.625. Okay. This is now simple. Just decimal will be subtracted. So answer will be 2019. So option A is your answer. So in coming days, I am going to post such math Olympiad questions. So if you don't want to miss that, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.